how to create custom product pages on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own custom product pages on Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and sign up onto Shopify. It's a pretty simple process, and if you want to go ahead and purchase it, you can as well, because it only cost $1 for the first month, and they actually gave me 24 more credits right here into my account, so which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay that and get an extra month just for $1, which I think is pretty cool. So you can go ahead and get that. It's really simple. Just for $1 you can get the whole thing. So to create the product pages, what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath sales channels, and we're going to go over to online store section and go over to the theme section right here. And once you're over here, what you want to do is you want to click on customize right here, but open it up in another tab. So right click and click on open a new tab, or press Control or Command if you're on Mac, and then just simply click on it, and you can open the entire customization option or the customization tab in another tab right here. Now wait for it to load up, and this is the editor right here. As you can see over here on the left hand side, we're going to have our main options, and within those options we're going to have some settings options, which are going to be displayed over here on the right side. But we're not going to be focusing on that as of right now. What you need to do is you want to come over here at the top, and you want to click on homepage, and here you want to click on products, and here you want to click on create a template, and here you can go ahead and name whatever template you want. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and say custom template, and then down below you can just leave it as it is and click on create template. And now we have created our own product template. Although I would recommend that you go ahead and, change the custom template name to whatever the product is. That way you will have a custom template for each different products. I just did that as an example, but yeah, I should have put the ceramic waterfall incense burner as the template name, but I thought that was way too long. So that's why I just said custom template. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the right product available right here. So to change the product, let's say this is not the product that we want to be displayed in this particular template, come over here onto the left hand side, and we go at the top, and underneath preview you can see we have the product right here. We're going to click on change, and over here we're going to select all the products that we currently have available. So currently we have 2 products, and let's say this is the second product. This is the product that we wanted to be available, although it looks pretty weird. But yeah, let's say you can select any product you want over here. So just simply select the product, and there you go. Next, all we have to do is to customize it. Now I have a lot of options right here, but that's fine. We can change all of that later, but yeah. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and customize it. So to customize the product template, first things first, what we want to do is we want to add a section. So we're going to come over here onto the left hand side, and you can see we have some options right here, but yeah, you can go ahead and add them. Totally depends on you. Now, one thing that I have noticed is that I have a lot of, images for the product. Let's go ahead and tidy this up a little bit. So for that, we're going to come over here onto the left-hand side, and underneath templates, we're going to click on the product info, and then we're going to open up the settings or main options on the right-hand side. And here we have desktop layouts. What you want to do is to change it however you want. You can have like thumbnails. That way you will have the main image over here, and then people can select all the images and see them. It totally depends on you. Same thing with thumbnail carousel as well. So yeah, I think that looks good. You can do the exact same thing for mobile version as well. So totally depends on you. There you go. And over here, you can see my description is, a bit way too much. We should probably make that shorter, but it's okay. That's mainly in the title description when you create a product. So that's fine. Let's go ahead and save the settings that we've made so that we don't lose the progress. Now we have added the product. We also don't like this section right here, so we're going to remove that. So for that, come over here onto the left hand side. You can see the related product is right here. If you click on the hide button, you can see it's gone. So that's why we want to delete that. So to delete that section, usually there is a option right here, but I can't seem to find that, like this trash can icon, but it's not appearing over here, so we'll just hide that. But don't need that. Next, what I would like to do is I would like a new section right here so that we can highlight all the cool features of the product, right? So instead of having all of this right here, we'll just have small little specifications of the product. And instead of all this text or whatever it is, we'll have a separate section right here at the bottom, and we'll write it over there. So let's go ahead and click on add section. And here, what you want to do is you want to add a image with text. I think this would look really, really good. So something like this. Here, we're going to go ahead and add the image of the product. And here we're going to add the entire text. So let's go ahead and add the image. We're going to click on the image text. And here you can see on the right hand side, we have the option to select images. We're going to click on select image. And then we're going to select the image of the product that we want. You can see we have all these different images of the product. So let's go ahead and select this image right here. I think this looks good. So we're going to click on done. Now we have a image right here. I think this looks good. Now I also want to flip it. So let's go ahead and flip that. So you can see we have desktop image placement. So over here, we can see, let's say like here, we have the desktop image placement. We're going to select image second and text first. So now we have text over here and image. I think this looks good because we have images over here, and then scroll down, we have an image over here and the text over here. I think this is a good contrast. So yeah, next we should also change the text over here. So to change the title, we're going to click on image with text, and over here we'll just add the heading like that. And then down below we have the text. Over here we'll add the main description of the product, or whatever we want. So we'll just place the text right here, and that looks good. Now, the placement of the text is a little bit different. So let's go ahead and change the placement of it as well. So we're going to go back, click on the product section. And then over here on the right hand side, let's go ahead and change up some of the text. Let's say we select the middle. I think middle looks much better. And if you want, we can go ahead and put it center, but I think the center and middle position fits it much better. I would also like to highlight the entire section. So maybe we change the color scheme. We're going to click on change and maybe, make it a little bit lighter gray. So it doesn't, stand out, but it stands out just enough so that it doesn't ruin the overall aesthetic of the entire product page. Next, what you can do is you can go ahead and add some more images, right? Let's say you want to add a couple of more sections like this image, like this specific section, to highlight more functionality of your products. You can do that. And once you've done that, make sure that you save all the changes that you've made. And then we can go ahead and assign this template to our product. So if you come over here, we click on the template section, click on products, we can see that it is assigned to 0 products. So let's go ahead and assign it to our product. We're going to go back to the home section, and then over here we're going to click on products, and underneath products we're going to find the product that we have created this template for, which is this one right here. So we're going to click on it, and over here scroll down, find the template right here, theme template, click on it and select custom template, click on save, and when you save it, it's going to be saved, product is saved, and you are good to go. So now we have done it. Now we're going to go back to the editor. I'm also going to reload it just in case, and we're going to see right here that the template is actually being used. As you can see, it is assigned to a specific product. Next, all you got to do is just finalize the touches. Maybe you want to add the related products right here. I'll just move that section all the way to the bottom like this one, totally depends on you. But yeah, once that's done, just simply click on save, and you are good to go. And there you go. After that, you're done. And that is how you do it. That is how you create a custom product page for your Shopify products. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.